terrifying power of nature. 1. Flood. Most people underestimate the power of floods. 2. Rock slides. Rock slides move faster than most people can escape. Rock slides can happen in seconds and leave no time to react. 3. Lightning strikes. Lightning strikes are powerful, unpredictable, and deadly. These moments show just how dangerous nature can become. 4. Nature's most violent storms. Tornado. Tornadoes can destroy entire neighborhoods in minutes. Tornadoes are one of nature's most destructive forces. Their power, speed, and unpredictability make them terrifying to witness.